This YouTube channel, Fern, is quietly making $30,000 to $100,000 every month, and you've probably already watched one of their videos. They create cinematic 3D documentary-style content, and each video earns thousands of dollars in revenue, with nearly every upload pulling in millions of views. And here's the wild part. This niche has almost no competition. Take Atrium, for example. They've posted just 6 videos and already have over 250,000 subscribers. According to vidIQ, that's earning them $4,000 to $11,000 a month from ads alone. You're probably thinking, you need a huge animation team, expensive software, and a massive budget. Right. But I recreated this exact documentary style using just one AI tool. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you the complete A to Z blueprint no one else is showing. Let's dive in. Today, I'm going to show you how to recreate this exact cinematic aesthetic using Kling 3.0 AI model, which was recently released and is now available on Higgsfield. Right now, this is the best AI video model right now. Higgsfield is currently one of the fastest growing GenAI companies, and Kling 3.0 is not a minor update. It's a state-of-the-art engine built for professional production pipelines. Kling 3.0 is a next-generation AI model that turns scripts and images into fully structured cinematic video sequences. Unlike older tools, it uses unified multimodal training, which means it supports text-to-video, image-to-video, and reference-to-video inside one native model. One of the biggest upgrades is 15-second generation. You're no longer limited to short 3-second clips. Kling 3.0 lets you generate smooth, continuous scenes up to 15 seconds long. It also includes omni-native audio, which means dialogue is generated directly inside the model, with natural-looking lip sync. Another major feature is element consistency. This is the holy grail of AI video. You can upload a character or object as an element, and Kling keeps it perfectly consistent across every shot. This also solves the melting and glitch problems that many AI tools still struggle with. Kling 3.0 handles complex and realistic scenes very smoothly. There are no visible glitches, and in many cases, you can't even tell whether a scene is AI generated or real. The skin texture, camera angles, and shot transitions look like actual film footage. Take a look at this scene. It's fully generated by AI, using multiple shots and angles. This is exactly why Kling 3.0 makes creating Fern-style cinematic videos so easy. Now, let's get into the tutorial. First, go to Higgsfield.ai. I've added the link in the description. Hover over the video section and select Kling 3.0 from the model list. Once Kling 3.0 is selected, you'll see several options. Start frame and end frame are optional, so you can generate a video using only text. Make sure sound is turned on so the video includes sound and sound effects. Using the Elements feature, you can select a character or object that stays consistent across all scenes. There's also a multi-shot option, which allows you to combine multiple scenes into one 15-second video. For now, we'll keep multi-shot turned off. Next, choose the video duration. You can set it anywhere between 3 and 15 seconds. Since we're creating a Fern-style YouTube video, select a 16:9 aspect ratio. For a Fern-style look, we need a consistent character. Go to the Elements tab and upload 3 to 5 images of your character from different angles, including the front, side, and back. If you don't have images, go to the Image section and select the Kling 01 image model. Generate one image for each angle, then download them. Now, return to the Video section, open Elements, create a new element, upload the images, name it 3D Mannequin, add a simple description, and click Generate. Once it's done, select the element and use it. From this point on, Higgsfield will lock this character's appearance across all future generations. Now, let's generate a cinematic shot using only text. Here's a Fern-style prompt you can use. Cinematic 3D animation, Fern-style, close-up of a high-tech mannequin's face in a dark room, blue rim lighting, floating dust particles, slow dolly zoom, 4K resolution. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. As you can see, the character stays perfectly consistent, and even without adding dialogue, the model automatically generates suitable audio.
Let's get to work.
Now let's try using a start frame image.
I generated an image where the mannequin is enjoying coffee in his room. Upload the image, write a simple prompt, and generate the video. And here's the result.
There is nothing like a quiet moment with a good cup of coffee.
This is honestly one of the best AI video tools I've ever used. Now let's turn on multi-shot. This allows you to chain multiple prompts into a single 15-second video. In a 3D documentary, scene flow is important. With multi-shot, you can create a short sequence where the character enters the room, then a close-up of the character typing on a glowing holographic screen, followed by a wide shot of the entire futuristic lab. Make sure the same element is selected in every shot. Kling 3.0 understands character continuity, so the mannequin stays identical throughout the entire sequence. And if you add dialogue to the prompt, the model automatically generates the voice and lip sync. Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield is a game changer for YouTube automation and AI filmmaking. It finally solves the consistency problem that has held AI video back for years. Check the link in the description to get started. You can get Kling 3.0 Unlimited with 70% off on premium plans right now. Don't forget to use my unique link below.